Anerley railway station was originally opened as Anerley Bridge by the London and Croydon Railway in 1839. It was situated in a largely unpopulated area but was built as part of a local agreement with a local and landowner. According to local law, the landowner was a Scotsman, and when asked for the landmark by which the station would be known, he replied, "Mine is the Anerley House." This timetable of the day seemed to back this up, since it says there's no place of that name. The London and Croydon Railway amalgamated with the London and Brighton Railway to form the London, Brighton and South Coast Railway in July of 1846. The station was rebuilt during the widening of the main line in 1849 to 1850. During the grouping of 1923, the station became part of the Southern Railway, which was then passed to the Southern Region of British Railways on nationalisation in 1948. When sectorisation was introduced in the 1980s, the station was served by Network South East until the privatisation of British Railways. Anerley formed part of the new southbound extension of the East London line that opened on the 23rd of May 2010, making Anerley part of the London Overground network. At the same time, management of the station passed from Southern Railways to London Overground. So let's get started here at Anerley with 377139 and 377460, working the 0936 Southern Railway service from Caterham and Tattenham Corner to London Bridge. Over on the far side sees the arrival of 3783139 with the slightly delayed 0931 London Overground service from Highbury and Islington to West Croydon. Running 16 minutes late is 700-030, working 9 Tango 12 from Brighton to Bedford. Taking us by surprise is 700-046, working 9 Romeo 20 for Thameslink from 3 Bridges to Bedford. And right behind that is 700-129, working 9 Juliet 22 for Thameslink from Horsham to London Bridge. And coming in the opposite direction is 700-145, working 9 Tango 17 for Thameslink from Bedford to Brighton. As 378207 depart arrives on the far side with the 0946 London Overground service from Highbury and Islington to West Croydon, 378143 departs with the 0942 London Overground service from West Croydon to Highbury and Islington. Another one taken us by surprise is 700-131, working 9 Tango 14 for Thameslink from Brighton to Bedford. Coming southbound for Southeastern is 375624, working 1 Zulu 10 from London Bridge to Hastings. Next out to depart is 378139 with the 0957 London Overground service of West Croydon to Highbury and Islington. Coming southbound for Thameslink is 700-133, working the 9 Sierra 17 from Cambridge to Brighton. Next to arrive on the far side is 378142, working the 1001 London Overground service from Highbury and Islington to West Croydon. Over on the far side arriving is 377446 and 377466, working the 1005 Southern Railway service from London Bridge to Caterham and Tattenham Corner. And as that departs, here comes our train in the form of 377101 and 377154, working the 1006 Southern Railway service from Caterham and Tattenham Corner to London Bridge. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.